Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So here I am at the Dollar Tree looking at their seasonal stuff, and look how beautiful this is. Never seen these before. These are heart-shaped rings. Aren't they adorable, guys? And they have them in white. There they are in pink. This is the first time I've seen that, so this is new. I'm not sure about this one here. That's really pretty though. And they have more there. Here's some door hangers. Okay. What does this say? Hugs and kisses. And then you have some tinsel. Let me see. On the bottom here, you just have some accent decor. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much for supporting my channel. So they do have the beaded hearts. There they are with the pink, the red, and the white. And then you have the natural one, and then you have the all red. So that's really nice. Then you have these foam hearts. Somebody put that there. Here are the doilies in the pink. And then here they go in the red. Then here are the smaller ones. There's the red and the whites. I like these. Here are the felt stickers in all three of those colors. And then you have some more tinsel up there. Okay. So what are these? Disney. These are Valentine's Day cards. That's cute for school. And then you have these red trucks carrying the hearts. So you have the pics that are right here. And then look at the stickers, guys. So these are the 3D stickers. Here's some more doilies in pink. And then these, I call them placemats, guys, because even though it's felt. So then you have the felt wreath. And there is the same felt heart in red. You can use them as placemats. Then you have some tinsel garland in this hot pink color. And I never seen this before. It's kind of cute. Be Mine. They have that one. And then they have the heart. Silly. They have the love sign and the Be My Valentine. And then here is 3 hearts. Now they do have these heart trees. They do have them in red. So I don't know if somebody just placed that there, but those are really cute. I got one in red. Then they have these. And this. Here's the little dog. All right, so they do have some glitter roses, the tall ones. I never seen these. So guys, these are new. Look at this, and they're thick. Love State of Mind, the Power of Love. This is really cute. Then they have this kind too. And this one. These are all new, and they're thick. Just like I said before. And then they have adult tutus. I never seen that before. So they have the double heart in the red. Here it is in the pink. Then they have that guy there with the glasses. Now this one here I never saw. So maybe that one is new. Then they have the teddy bear in the red. Up there the pink. And then here's the hot pink. Then these are all bags. You do have the red candles. They're so cute. And then you have the tissue paper for Valentine's Day. So these come, this round display here is the $3 and $5. So that's like the plus section display. So I like this box. Very pretty. I am looking for specific decor. Look how cute this is, guys. That's for Easter. And then they have the sign here that says welcome, the bunnies. I like these bunnies. So these bunnies are so adorable. These are $5 a piece. Then you have their candles, and these are the bigger boxes. Yep. The love sign, and here's the love one, the love sign. Together forever. How cute is that? This one says Easter. And then they have the baskets. Let's see. So let's look over here. So they also have this center one here. I don't want to miss anything. So a lot of people have been looking at these socks. I don't know. I guess those monogrammed men's crew socks. Then you have the signs. This one is new. Like, these are all new, guys, except for this tree with the owl. Then you have the wine glasses that says "Be Mine." Okay, and then you have the plastic cups. So this love sign here, and "You are loved." How cute is that? Then you have some more socks here. Let's see what's over. Let's see. You have more decor pieces and these hearts. I've seen these in other places. And then you have the love cups. So this is really cute. Then if we come to this wall, this is like the little dog section, I think, because I see a lot of stuff for dogs, like these. So my cat is my Valentine. Those are so cute. Okay, so they do have a lot of these, let me just put this down. A lot of these like stocking stuffer type things for if you wanted to do treats for the kids. And then you have the glasses there. You have the stuffed animals there. Look at this, another whole wall of things here. I don't think I've seen these. So we all seen these candle holders. And like I said, these signs are all new, guys. Filled with love. This one is really pretty. I like those colors. And that one says "True Love." And you have the gnomes and more of the hearts. So now they have the stuffed. Instead of just the stuffed gnomes, they also have the dogs and the cats. Okay. Then these always come back every year. These are much thicker, so like I said, I like those. And these signs, those signs look new. I love these stakes for the ground. I just love these. They're so adorable. And then this is the first time I'm seeing this, so I'm going to say this is new. I don't remember it. So here it is in the silver, there it is in the pink, and here it is in the gold. I like that. That's kind of cute. So then they have the thankful, the love, and here are the gnome stuff for Valentine's Day and some of the florals. So let's see. They have the scalp massager. Here's a scalp massager in purple. And then here is the love sign in gold and black. Here's some more of those gold candle holders. I like these spray bottles. They're so cute. All right, these are like the foam sponges. And then they have the nail file. These are really adorable, guys. And then the rose. So here's the rose and the pink. And then here's the rose brush, makeup brush in the gold. I like those for making a basket. So here's some full roses here. And like I said, these stuffed animals came from the plus section, but because it's seasonal, they brought it here. So you have the LED lights at $5. Okay, and these baskets are so nice. Be Mine. And these are the balls. So these are the kissing balls. Here they go in the white, the red, and the pink. I like those. Here's the string lights with the roses. And then here is the teddy bear in roses, in the red. I've seen them in the pink too. And then they also came out with the charcuterie board with the heart that says love, some throw blankets, and these are always my favorite. I don't see them in the white. I have them at home at white, in white. So this is a light up tabletop decor. Very nice. Some candy. Here's the red truck. And these wooden garlands are so nice. I'm liking this. Okay, so we have candy behind me. So let's see what's around this corner. All right, so we have some deco mesh. I absolutely love these decor pieces to hang on the tree, but I like them because it's faux cupcakes and I can use them for my collabs. Then you have the rose petals, and here are the lips. Here are the wooden hearts. Here are the gnomes for the tree. There they are in red. Then you have the glitter hearts. I like these. These are the red hearts, LED. Then you have the deco mesh and the pink and the red. All right, let's see. So we have the scarf. All right, so we have some wood stuff here. I love these. The jumbo craft heart, the foam, and here are the wooden ones. I love picking up the wood stuff. Here's forever and always. Love you. So we have the wood heart picks in the gold, and there they are in the red, and here they are in the pink. How cute is that? And these are the velvet ribbons. Guys, I absolutely love those. Here's the baker's twine, and here's the little tiny baking cups. Okay, some more wood stuff, and here's the lips with the clips. Here is a pack of the 8-pack of the hearts. They have this kind, that one. Okay, and then they also have the painting rock kit. All right. So those are stickers, and it's a craft kit. These are foam, so you get 12 hearts. And then the ribbons is what I like. I also like this pack here, these clips, because you can clip these on the tree. And you get like 6 pieces. And the tree is not really all that big. So then you have these picks right here. So you have the red one. This one's not looking too good. And here is the pink. The pink is looking better. You got 2 kinds of picks. You got this one, and then you have this one. And then you got these. These are really cute. Let's see, and then this is a pom-pom kit. Here are some more ribbon. They're so cute. All right. Then we have some ribbon here. You can never go wrong with this ribbon. And honestly, I use the heart ribbon as well. It just depends on what you're crafting. The plain red. Well, this has little hearts on it also, and then you got these. So these are kits for the kids, and there's a glitter decor. Here are some more of the wooden bead wreath forms and some deco mesh. And this one, yeah, these are garlands. And here's some more faux cupcakes. I love those. And then we're into Easter stuff already, guys. I can't even believe I walked right into it. Okay, so the pom-poms, and here are the Easter egg picks. And here we have the bunny rabbit. And here are the bunny legs, the bunny paw picks. Here's some more deco mesh. And here, guys, are some bunny ribbons. And there's the bunny button. So adorable. And then we have that really thick wood that I absolutely love. You have the chick, the bunny rabbit, I think you have the carrot, and you have the Easter egg. And then here are the bottle brush trees. Then they have some more ribbon here. Look at the carrot one, it's so cute. Here are the bunny rabbits with the glitter. Here is a felt craft kit, and I like the pom-pom trim. I like these bunny rabbit garlands, and I love the carrots. So here you have, this is new, this bunny rabbit with those little half wooden balls at the end. Then you have these. Here's the chicken, here's the bunny butt pick. So this is a new sign. This says Happy Easter. This is a new sign as well. That says Happy Easter. Here's the bunny butt, and I can tell you right now, I can look at it and know that this is a different shape than last year. Okay, so last year they had them like this. I don't know if you could see it. It's more round. Now this is not as round. I hope you can see that. Then more ribbon here. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.